Hello, this is John from Revit for Interior Designers. So we reached the end of the summer, and some of us have to return to work, while others are actually out there seeking new positions. If Revit experience required is still holding you back, then I've got you covered. I've taught the software for the past 10 years. I've helped hundreds, if not thousands of students learn the program. However, I can't help you this fall. I am teaching at 3 local colleges, a total of 6 Revit classes. So believe me when I say I'm swamped. However, I can offer you my classes online. And so then you can watch the classes on your own schedule. Now, so I've been there. I know what it's like to constantly have to keep up with technology. And so I try to deliver a very easy to follow training program. All the classes come with a money back guarantee. Because at the end of the day, if you're not successful, then I don't think I've been successful. So let me help you gain the skills you need to find that next position. And in the meantime, enjoy what's left of the summer. Take care. Bye.